Good morning, guys. Just want to show you this amazing view. I believe, well, it's a view of the valley, which is of Sherman Oaks, West Hollywood, Van Nuys, Northridge. There's a lot of different places in the valley. Let's see. Yeah. So you got Hollywood. Got North Hollywood, like over here, I believe. And you have Sun Valley, and then Panorama City, and Van Nuys in the middle. And then more towards the center left, there's Lake Balboa, North Hills, Northridge, Granada Hills, Reseda, and then towards the left is Canoga Park, Chadsworth. Yeah, it's a pretty big place. I'll explore it eventually, you know. But for right now, I get to appreciate the view, you know, let it soak in. Yeah. And I believe the mountains over there is the Angeles National Forest. Yeah, those mountains in the distance, those are pretty big mountains. Yep. And you should come here, you know, check it out yourself. It's this is the Fryman Canyon Loop Trailhead. That's where I am right now. There's just a little trail that goes down. Maybe I'll take it one day. Not right now, though. But it's really nice. It's a beautiful view. So, well, yeah, come here and check it out yourself. You know, I don't want you to, you know, look at a screen and see a view. That's not going to do anything for you, you know. You gotta come out here in person, if you can. This is some information about this trail. So it says, so this is called the Betty B. Deering Trail on the bottom. It says it connects to Fryman Canyon Park, Coldwater Canyon Park, Franklin Canyon Park, and Wolcott Park in more than 1,000 acres of public parkland. The trail is open to hikers, equestrians, and dogs on leashes under their own control. No mountain bikes are allowed. The trail winds through terrain abounding with native chaparral, year-round springs, and deeply wooded canyons. That's what it says here. So I guess you're not allowed to bike here. Yeah, and it says here, that it's named in honor of Nancy Hoover Pohl, a longtime resident of Fryman Canyon for over 6 years. Miss Pohl fought to successfully stop development that threatened parkland. Her efforts enabled the acquisition and preservation of the Cross Mountain Park. Her continued dedication to the preservation of open space helped to create thousands of acres of parkland that will be enjoyed by park users for generations to come. Mrs. Paul was also instrumental in the establishment of the 5-mile-long Betty B. Deering Mountain Trail, one of the most heavily used trails in the eastern Santa Monica Mountains, the city of Los Angeles. The Santa Monica Mountains Conservancy and donations from community members funded the improvements to the Nancy Hoover Pole Overlook at Fryman Canyon. So I guess she made this place. I mean, as you can see, there's a lot of space here. And I'm sure people wanted to develop this. I'm sure of it. They probably wanted to build a lot of homes here. I mean, imagine you build a home right here. That's a crazy view. But instead, you can come here for free. You know? And you don't need to pay a dime. So yeah, come check it out. Yeah. Alright, have a great day.